No, this is not a barber shop. Okay. Hey queens, how's it going? So I'm gonna do a hair dyeing tutorial with my mom. She's not thrilled to do this, but today I'm gonna do the color Honey Blonde by Creme of Nature. This is my first time trying it, so hopefully it works out. Alright mom, take it away. What? Don't do that.
Okay.
First, you gotta use your gloves. Protect your hands. You don't want them to fall off from the chemicals. Right, Mom? Was that supposed to get the whole line?
The gloves are on. Something fell.
I don't think you need that. Oh, that's the oil. Yeah. What are you doing? Talk us through it, please.
We're doing a full color application. Simple color products. Drape towel over shoulder for protection.
Got it.
Put on gloves. Mix Creme of Nature permanent cream gel hair color into both.
This is the cream gel hair color. And this is the new.
Gel, yes. So, we have scissors to cut off the top.
You don't need to.
According to the picture, it shows scissors cutting off the top.
But it looks like you can just take this off.
Take it off.
Oh, look. That looks squirts in my eye.
No, just pull the thing out.
Oh, to cut the top of this. That's your fault. It doesn't say that.
You need to cut because there's a hole.
Towards my face.
Yes, change it.
This is really thick.
How long did it say?
Did
you read?
As long as you want.
Based on the condition of the hair, 30 minutes, because this is natural hair. If I had chemically treated hair, it would be 25. If I had gray hair like you, it would be 30.
Do you see gray hair? Ooh.
See?
Chemical.
I know.
Strong.
Do I put the oil in after?
Oh, snap. It's like, yeah.
Yeah, I do.
That's later. It's like a dabbling thing on this.
I see. Rinse, shampoo, conditioner.
Just the same. Oh, no,
Take it off. Dang, this is hot in here. Somebody wants to be a blonde for some reason or another.
No, I miss my light brown hair.
Just be in the sun. Oh, that's right, you're allergic to the sun.
So now I'm just gonna, oh my gosh, you can really see it. It's true.
comment, please. People who do this.
Please comment.
We do this on a regular.
Please comment and critique my mom as she applies this.
Don't try to
Because
tell
there's
me
probably a proper way to do it. Like,
Don't tell
I'm
me
just
how
kidding.
to do it.
My eyebrows too.
Oh, okay.
I should do my eyebrows so they
No.
fall off.
No, just cut them off and use a brown pencil or something. Don't,
Cut them off?
or shave them and use a brown pencil. Don't put it. Put chemical on it.
Yeah, I would be scared because they would
Face
probably
will
fall.
break out.
Oh yeah, that's true. See, hers are brown.
Yeah.
Or did she use a pencil?
She could have. Who knows? Unless you have a professional person do that. Oh, look at it! It's really turning. You want to put the cap on? And I'm going to need some new gloves. And we're live. And we're live.
Okay guys, so I'm gonna set my timer for 30 minutes. I'm probably just gonna watch something for 30 minutes and then come on back and show you the final result.
I watch Erykah. Love them.
Number 6 is South. That one coming.
Just got done washing my hair. Ah! I blended to the background. Mom, look, I blended to the background. I'm so dead. Okay. What are you doing, Mom?
I'm putting in the intensive conditioning treatment. Oh, I don't even need the scissors. After shampooing, apply a generous amount to hair and comb through for even distribution. Rinse out. For deep conditioner, apply conditioner, place the plastic cap over the hair and sit under a warm hooded dryer for 10 minutes. Do you want to get that hood thing? Did she put on a blow dryer?
I'm not sitting under a hood.
Yeah, so. Okay. Is it open?
There's one more cookie left if you want it.
Yes.
It's kind of broken.
So
but-
what? Just leave it there.
It doesn't smell.
Why is it not cutting right? It smells good.
It smells okay. I thought it'd be stronger.
It smells like
It's not fruity. I thought it would be fruity. It smells like this stuff, kind of. Shea butter oil.
It smells like the oil. That's what it smells like, just like the actual oil.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And this is just argan oil, right? Yep. This is a lot.
Scallion oil or whatever.
Yeah, it's just argan oil treatment. There's a lot. This little bit.
Is there a cone?
Mm-hmm.
You go with your honey blonde hair. I'm gonna try to squeeze some more of this out. No, I'll comb it. In a second. Try to squeeze as much as I can out.
Yeah, because my
Hair will suck it up in 2 seconds. You call me, please. Stop for me.
I'm back. So this this is the final result. When it actually like dries, it's gonna be brighter, but it's blonde. But since there's orange in the background, it looks like really orange. But it's light brown. Are you trying to fix your hair in my frame?
And mine is dark black. And we're live.
Stop. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. See ya.